Ang daming nag-request nito, kaya ngayon ipapakita ko sa iyo ang step by step kung paano gumawa ng AI-generated anime video na ganito.
They hated him, they feared him, but what if everything they believed was a lie? He was a hero, forced to wear the mask of a villain. But why? The answer would change everything. Why would someone destroy everything they loved? Itachi had a secret, but it wasn't his to reveal. He bore the burden no one else could. They saw betrayal, he felt only pain. But Itachi teaches us this: sacrifice isn't weakness, it's the strength to put others above yourself. Itachi didn't seek forgiveness, because no one knew the truth. His sacrifice wasn't for glory, it was for love. So strong, it demanded silence. True strength doesn't come from power, it comes from the sacrifices you're willing to make.
At ang pinaka-good news, pwede mong gawin to ng libre, as in zero gastos. Ang kailangan mo lang ay 4 na tools: ChatGPT para sa script at ideas, Leonardo AI para sa high-quality anime-style images, Minimax Halo para gawing smooth animation yung images mo, at 11 Labs para sa high-quality voice-over na parang totoong tao na talaga. At promise, walang kahirap-hirap to. Literal na kahit sino kaya. Yung anak ko ngang grade 1, ginagawa to eh. Puro skibidi toilet nga lang. Kaya kung ready ka nang gumawa ng sarili mong AI anime video sa loob lang ng ilang minuto, tara, simulan na natin. Ngayon nakapili na tayo ng niche. Ang next step is to create an eye-catching title and an engaging script, the backbone of your video. For this example, YouTube Shorts lang ang gagawin natin para mas mabilis, pero pareho lang yung proseso kung long-form content ang target mo. Para mas efficient ang workflow mo, pro tip, gamitin mo si ChatGPT ng 1 task per thread. Ibig sabihin, kung gumamit ka na ng thread kanina para humingi ng niche ideas, wag mo na tong gamitin para humingi ng title as script. Bakit? Dahil mas focused at mas accurate ang responses ni ChatGPT kapag hindi to nalilito sa multiple requests sa isang thread. So mag-create ka lang ng bagong thread, then i-warm up mo ulit si ChatGPT with prompt like this. Isa kang top anime content creator. I need your help. Gagawa ako ng anime-style motivational videos plus self-improvement. Using your expertise on this subject, can you give me 10 title ideas na malaki yung potential mag-viral? Make it in English. Para pang international yung pwedeng ma-reach ng video mo, hindi lang sa Pinas. And then, pumili ka lang ng mga pinakagusto mong titles. Okay itong number 1 at number 3 para sa akin. Another pro tip, kung hindi mo trip yung mga sagot ni ChatGPT, challenge it. Example, can you give me another 10 ideas na mas intriguing at mas attention-grabbing? You can do this process as many times as you want hanggang may mapili ka. Pero normally in 1 or 2 attempts, may mapipili ka na eh. So for this example, ito yung piliin natin. You're wasting your potential, unlock your hidden power now. Kapag may napili ka ng title, okay lang na gamitin mo yung same thread para hingin ang script. Since na-warm up mo na si ChatGPT bilang isang anime content expert, mas mataas na yung chance na makuha mo yung best output on the same thread kasi related naman siya. Ito yung script generator prompt example. Being a top anime content creator, please help me create a very engaging, emotionally uplifting script para sa isang YouTube Shorts, less than 60 seconds, with this title. Then, ilagay mo lang yung title na mapipili mo. So, ilagay na natin yung title na napili natin kanina. Then, enter. Ito na yung script. Review the script and add your personal touch kung kinakailangan, pero the script is really pretty good na, di ba? At kahit hindi ko sinabi, ChatGPT even added scene description na magagamit natin sa next step. So, i-copy mo lang to, then paste it into a notepad or Word document, then ready ka na to proceed to step number 3. Realism kasi mas maganda yung datingan niya. At dahil free version lang to, wala kang option to generate quality images. Kaya yung makukuha mo ay hindi sobrang to. And just like that, you're now ready to move to the animation step. Para sa step na to, ang gagamitin naman natin ay si Hailu. Punta ka lang sa hailuai.video, then sign up. Again, using your Google account. Now, you have your free account. Katulad sa Leonardo AI, meron ka ding tokens dito. Kapag newly signed up account, they're giving 1,100 tokens. Pero this token is only valid for 3 days. As you can see, February 8 habang ginagawa ko to. Then after 3 days, magda-downgrade ang free account mo to just 100 tokens. And like Leonardo AI, nare-refresh naman yon every day. Kaso, 100 nga lang. Pero no problem, kasi kung madami kang Google accounts, you can sign up using each one. At magkakaroon ka na ng multiple free accounts. Wala namang limit din dito. So tara, mag-animate na tayo. I-click mo lang tong create, then punta ka sa image to video tab. At dito, idadrag mo lang yung image na i-animate mo. Dito sa baba, you can put certain types of movement na gusto mong ipagawa sa animation. Nasa sayo kung ano yung trip mo. Pero I normally leave this blank and let AI do its magic. Unless kailangan talaga ng certain movements. And tignan mo naman to. As you can see, one animation will cost you 30 tokens. So kung may 100 ka na lang, as free account, 3 lang yung magagawa mo. Medyo magastos to sa tokens, kaya naman kung gusto mo talagang karirin to, I would suggest go for their paid plans. Right now, ang gamit ko ay yung unlimited plan nila. Sulit naman yun for me. Anyway, tara, let's animate this. You can do multiple creations, and for free trial, you can do 3 at a time. Ganito lang yung gagawin mo sa lahat ng images. May mga drawbacks lang sa free account. Una, medyo mabagal yung pag-generate niya. At pangalawa, may watermark siya sa ibaba. Pero madali lang naman natin ito matatakpan. Mamaya papakita ko sa iyo kung paano. So eto, ready na yung first animation. Tignan natin. Not bad na, di ba? Gawin mo lang tong process na to sa lahat ng images. To edit, kakailanganin mo ng video editing app. Madami naman dyan for free. Pero ang gamit ko is CapCut. May free version din sila. Punta ka lang sa CapCut.com and download their app. Kapag ready na yung video editing app mo, you can import all the assets. Ito na yung mga assets natin. Katulad ng tip ko sa iyo kanina, binago ko yung file name nila base sa narration part kung saan ko sila ilalagay. Mas mapapadali kasi nun yung process at hindi ka na malilito. Simply drag all the assets dito sa app mo and start editing. Una, ilalagay ko yung voiceover sa timeline. Then, to add the scene, ika-copy-paste ko lang yung narration part dito and then search for the media. Just like that. As you can see, merong watermark, di ba? We do not want that to show syempre. So all you have to do is to scale the video up hanggang sa point na hindi na makikita yung watermark. And just like that, hindi na makikita yung watermark. So ganun lang din yung gagawin mo sa other part. Tuloy-tuloy na natin to. Para mas dramatic, lagyan mo lang ng mga sound effects at background music at caption. Para sa sound effects and background music, you can explore Pixabay. Royalty free yun. At pwede ka din pumunta sa YouTube Audio Library for background music. Free din siya syempre. And now, here's our finished product.
You feel it, don't you? That burning inside, like you were meant for more. But every time you try, something pulls you back. Fear, doubt, comfort. Listen to me. Every great hero was once at their lowest, until they chose to fight back. You are not weak. You are not a side character. The only thing stopping you is you. The power you seek isn't locked away. It's been inside you this whole time. So stop waiting. Stop doubting. Unlock your hidden power and become unstoppable.
Not bad, di ba? Lalo na wala tayong ginastos ni Singkong Duleng. At ang isa pang free, pakipitik mo naman yung like button kung nagustuhan mo yung video natin. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Peace out!